In this video, I will show you how to remove mirror switch knob in 6 simple steps on Volkswagen Tiguan 2008 from 2008 to 2017. First, we have to remove the door panel. So the first thing is to pry that handle cap out. So there is a little hole on the interior side. That is the hole. So we have to insert a pry tool through that hole to pry the handle cap out. So we will use this pry tool. You can find this pry tool set in the video description. You have to insert the pry tool on that small hole and pry the handle cap out. Now you lift the handle cap and then take it out, because there is a small plastic on the bottom side, if you can see right there. Don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel. You can find 12-piece magnetic torque screwdriver set in the video description. Then there's two T30 torque screws. Remove those screws. There are also two on the bottom side of the driver's door panel. So remove those two using also the T30 torques. Then you have to pry the door panel, starting from the bottom side. You can use the pry tool for that. Lift the door panel and take it out from the window frame. Release the brown cable from the mirror knob. You just have to push on the tab and take it out. Then remove the mirror switch knob and replace it with a new one using a flat blade screwdriver. So this is the knob, the mirror knob. Replace the old knob with a new one, and then refit in reverse order all the parts back on the driver's door. If you have any suggestions about new tutorials, let us know in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching.